What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I don't even know what to say because yeah, it's been far too long since my last video, and for that I apologize. I wanted to take a little bit of time at the beginning of the year to revamp my channel so that I could bring y'all more content. We got that done, so here we are with more content. This is my first video of 2020. Let's hope I can bring y'all more videos. Let's hope I can be consistent. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit that button and subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, comment. I want to bring y'all more content, so if y'all want to see more content, y'all gotta let me know what you want from me. Let me know in the comments. Hit me up on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. It's all down below. Just let me know what y'all want to see. I really want to thank all of my faithful subscribers who have stuck around. Maybe you just are still here because you didn't realize you were still following me. I don't care. Make sure you watch this video. Make sure we get reacclimated and we fall back in love with each other. That's all I want, guys. I want to thank y'all for continuing to be here. I want to thank you for your support. I want to thank you for your admiration. I want to thank you for everything. If you want to see how I got these bomb ass brows, keep watching. And like I said, if you want to see more videos from me, just let me know. Don't forget to thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Alright guys, let's jump into these brows. So I did one off camera just so y'all could see. And this is my difficult brow. This is my Walmart brow, so I did this one first. But we're gonna jump right in and we're gonna show y'all how I do my brows. Alright, so typically I do my foundation first, but for the purpose of this video I went ahead and left that step out. So I don't have moisturizer, primer, nothing on. I like my brows on a lighter canvas. I just feel like they stand out more, so I'm gonna take this Kat Von D Lock-It powder foundation in Deep 74 and I'm just gonna set my brow with that. I always try to set my brows with powder before I start them, again because I do my foundation first, so it's a little slick, so I like a little powder because I feel like it helps them adhere better. So I'm going to take this Benefit Brow Styler in shade 5. And I'm going to outline my brows with this. Just follow the shape of my brow. Alright, so now that we got it outlined, I'm gonna go on with this I think this is Mellow Brow or Mellow. I really can't remember. I just like the color of the pencil, and I'm gonna use this to fill in my brow. It's just a chocolate, I believe is what it's called. Yeah, this one's chocolate. So I'm gonna use this to fill them in. Step is going to be to go in with the Benefit Gimmie Brow, and this one just helps add like a little bit of volume and a little bit more definition to the brow. I don't really use this as a brow gel because I don't really think it's a brow gel. I use it to help give my brows that just to make them stand out a little bit more. And then next we go in with, we're gonna go in with the Benefit 3D Browtones in number 4 as well. Most of these shades are number 4 with the exception of the first one I used. That one was number 5. I try not to use too much of this because I feel like it can look a little shiny or metallic-y, if that makes sense. The next step is the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit, and that's just a clear brow gel. Last step before cleaning them up is to go in with this brow bar palette I have in dark. So you have a lighter powder, which is probably going to be like a dark brown, then you have like an ebony, and then you have a concealer to clean it up. I'm going to use this ebony shade and go in and just fill in a couple spots. Alright, so I just take a flat brush. And then, like I said, just in the front of the brow. And then for the rest of the brow, we're going to take the lighter color. Alright, and then I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush to buff it all out. I'm taking the lighter brown shade in that palette and just filling in the front a little bit. Just to blend it into that darker color so it's not so harsh. Alright, we just went in with that powder. Like I said, I went in with the lighter powder in the front to just blend it out a little bit better. Darker powder throughout to fill in any bald spots essentially, and voila, these are the brows. Hope you liked it.